Welcome into my kitchen. We're gonna fry up some flour tortillas. Oh yeah, for some good old buffalo dip. We're gonna cut these up in triangles, squares, or rectangles. Doesn't matter what shape you do, it's gonna all fry up the same. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut these up. We got our cooking grease. We're using vegetable oil. We got our cooking grease on the stove heating up. And once the grease gets hot enough, we're gonna go ahead and start dropping these in the skillet. And you want to fry them up to a golden crisp. And there you have it, some good old fried tortilla chips. And they're ready for the dip. So go on over and check out the recipe for the buffalo dip. Oh yeah, that's that buffalo chicken, spinach, and artichoke dip.